Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain everything you need to know about dropshipping. So let's get started. So, how does dropshipping actually work? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell products to customers without ever holding any inventory yourself. Instead of buying items in bulk and storing them in a warehouse, you act as the middle person between the customer and the supplier. Here's how the process usually works. You create an online store. This could be on Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform, and you list products that you want to sell. But here's the key: you don't own those products. When a customer comes to your store and places an order, you take that order and pass it directly to your supplier or manufacturer, who then ships the product straight to the customer's doorstep. This means you never have to worry about buying stock up front, renting storage space, or handling shipping yourself. Your main job is to market the products, run your store, and provide customer service. The profit you make comes from the difference between the price you charge the customer and the cost you pay to the supplier. For example, if you list a phone case for $20 on your store, and your supplier charges you $8 to ship it directly to the customer, you keep the $12 difference as profit. Dropshipping is attractive because it's low risk and easy to start. You don't need a big budget to launch. However, it does come with challenges. Since you don't control the inventory or shipping, things like stock shortages, long delivery times, or product quality issues can happen. That's why it's really important to work with reliable suppliers and set clear expectations with your customers. In short, dropshipping works by connecting three main parts: the customer who buys the product, the store owner who manages the sales and marketing, and the supplier who handles the inventory and shipping. As the store owner, you focus on building a brand, driving traffic, and managing customer relationships, while the supplier takes care of the logistics in the background. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.